I'm Hinshaw, and this is Hawk Talk. Today I'm here with Mark Wise, Director of our Facilities and Maintenance Division. Mark, tell us a little bit about what you guys do.
All right. Well, I've got two areas. I've got grounds and I've got building maintenance. Grounds, they start out in the morning of doing parking lot trash, follow up with mowing, mulching, trimming trees, just about anything, edging, anything to do with parking lot.
You know, Mark, we're committed to the 4 E's this year, and you guys have demonstrated a relentless pursuit of excellence and execution. Tell me about what all you do as far as the perfection of the grounds.
All right. Well, one thing that we try to do is, the guys care about their jobs. They care about everything that goes on campus. They want it to look nice, and they want to represent the college. That's exactly what they do.
Yeah, and you also show that commitment to excellence because you guys get here way before anybody else. Tell me about the schedule.
Oh yeah, we start up before the sun gets up, and they're out early. And like I said, they open up campus, make sure everything's going okay, and to start the day.
Thank you for being here, Mark. And I think we got some plants to plant today, so let me help out with that.
Yes, we'll go see Doyle.
All right. Doyle, what you into today?
We are working on making the campus more inviting and beautiful by installing new shrubbery that we typically put in the ground the fall of the year. And we're here to do some fall installation.
Well, that's all about commitment to excellence, and you guys do such a great job. Let's fill this hole over here.
I'm going to start by taking the roots, loosening the roots from the potted plant. We're going to install this in the ground about ground level and just fill it with some dirt.
Gotcha.
Now that the shrubs are in the ground, we're going to give it some water and we should be good to go.
All right.
Dr. Hinshaw, let's go inside where it's cool.
Dr. Hinshaw, do you want to take your career to new heights?
Absolutely. Let's go.
All right, let's go change some filters in the mechanical room. Okay, Dr. Hinshaw, these are the filters that are in our HVAC units. They catch a lot of bacteria and allergens. So we're going to change these filters out real quick. But first, we are introducing a new system which brings UVs into the system and kills the bacteria and allergens. So let's change some filters.
All right, let's do it.
As you can see, they're very dirty. So we change these at least once to twice a year. Perfect.
How's that?
Good to go.
If you want to, we'll go over here and change some light bulbs.
Let's do it.
All right. Dr. Hinshaw, we've changed all these lights on campus. LEDs, makes it brighter, less energy, more efficient. Let there be light.
Hey, that grass ain't gonna cut by itself.
Let's go then. Thank you for joining us for this week's Hawk Talk. We'll get it, do it right here in Red Hawk Nation. See you next time.